Hey y'all, and welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina and my kids are asleep on the bed. Yes, my kitties are ditching me today for nap time. It rained earlier today. It's still a little gloomy outside. I guess it just made them sleepy. So I'm the odd man out. I don't get the nap today. Anyway, so today I got a Rocksbox in. I held on to my last month's Rocksbox a little longer than I normally do because I absolutely loved this cross necklace they sent me. It was just a little out of my price range to buy it, or I would have. But, oh, it was so great. So I am so excited to see what's in here. I didn't look. I don't know what's in here. I didn't, you can go through and tell them, oh, I don't want that piece, or I do want it, whatever. I didn't do any of that this time. I just let them send me whatever they wanted. So we'll see what's inside. They do come in this little bubble wrap envelope. It is resealable. So when you're done with your jewelry, you just stick everything back in here, slap the label on top, and take it to your post office. Super easy. I believe it's $21 a month. This is jewelry rental. You rent the 3 pieces for however long you want. If you don't like them, you can send them straight back. They'll send you another box immediately. If you do like them, you can wear them for a while. It's really up to you, and it's awesome. I mean, it's a good way to keep your jewelry fresh and not have to pay a fortune by constantly buying something. And if you do want to buy a piece, you love it, your $21 is credited towards that purchase. So that's really great. I think it's awesome. Hey, gorgeous. Yes, $21 is the membership fee. And then it tells you what you got and how much it is. And then you got your XOXO. Everything. They always send them in these little baggies. Some brands have their own baggies. Rocksbox has their brand of baggies. They tell you to clean them by wiping them off with these. And they do sanitize everything, so you don't have to worry about that when it gets here. And of course, on the bottom is your return label. Let's see what's in here. I can't wait. Got a Dusk. I've seen a few other Dusk pieces. I don't think I've actually ever kept one, but I'm excited, y'all. Jewelry, you know how I love you. Ooh. Yeah, I got distracted. Look at that. Look at that beautiful clear stone. It's got some beading on this layer. I hope y'all can see it good. Let's take it off. It does have an adjustable chain, so you can make it longer or shorter as you like. That's pretty. Let's see what it says about it. So this is the Dusk Amara Pendant in gold. Retail price is $80. You would pay $64 minus your $21 if you kept it. So let's put it on and see what it looks like. I'm gonna adjust it a little longer because of the neckline I have on. I hope y'all can see that. I can't see in my camera today. Oh, when can I ever? This is my Torrid necklace. Actually, I could layer it with that. They've got about the same beading and everything on. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, let's look at the next one. So I used to absolutely love bracelets, bangles, anything around my wrist. I haven't been wearing them as much lately. I don't know why. I am bad at matching jewelry. I will give you that. So I do have a hard time with that, but I still really enjoy it. And some of them, they just jingle a little too much for me on here. Y'all, I have tiny wrists and I'm having a hard time getting this on my wrist. Hang on. Let's see. Bend it a little bit. All right, there we go. So look, it's two-toned. I do like that about it, silver and gold. Can y'all tell? Is it just too bright? There you go. Now you can see that it's silver and gold. Y'all, I keep my light up really bright so you can see outside. I don't know, it kills me. Okay, so this is the SLATE Hendrix Cuff. The retail price is $50. Your membership price for Rocksbox would be $42. So that is actually kind of pretty. I kind of like that. I like mixed colors because I don't feel like, you know, sometimes you want to wear silver, but my wedding band is gold. And I feel like, you know, I need something to tie the two metals together. That would work really good for that. Do y'all worry about that, or is it just me? I don't know. All right, let's look at this last piece. Y'all, I used to get this box. I started out getting this box, and I just looked at the jewelry. I had intended on buying jewelry from it and not just the renting. I didn't really realize the joy of the renting it yet. And I looked at everything. I was like, I can't afford to pay these prices. And I sent it back and I canceled it. And then later on, I decided to give it another shot. And I'm glad I did, because it does, you know, give you that option to just wear it for a while and send it away, instead of, you know, your jewelry box being so full you can't even tell what you have. Which I do have some trouble with that. I have some trouble trying to figure out where to put everything. I've got some DIY ideas in my brain. I just haven't got there yet, you know? Okay, these are the Aster Willow Hoops. They are a retail price of $45, and I would pay $38. Y'all, I do like a hoop. I've been really into hoops lately, so let me take these sword earrings out and put these hoops in. All right, I want to know, how many piercings do you have in your ears? I've only got the one, but I have considered getting a second one. Do y'all have second ones? Do you like it? Do you recommend it? Is it a young thing? Is it something people even still do? I mean, I remember when I was younger, piercings were all the rage. I don't know about now. Oh yeah, that's cute. I like that. Hoops are so easy. They just, I don't know, oh, that one looks a little bent. Let's see if I can fix it. Yeah, it bends back easy. They kind of go with everything. And I like a versatile earring, something you can wear with everything. Some earrings I have, I think they're super cute, but they don't match every outfit. I have a hard time finding something to wear them with. These, super easy. I like that it's kind of a dulled metal. I mean, it's still shiny, but just a little dulled. Very cute. You can actually see them with my hair. Black earrings, you can't even see them in my hair. But that's great. I like all of that. What do you think about the Rocksbox? I know this shirt is a little busy. Let me just pull this down so you can kind of see this jewelry just up against my skin. Do you like that? I think it's simple and cute. But with this is a busy shirt, y'all. So comment below. Tell me what you think of the jewelry. Let me know if you like Rocksbox or not. If you want to get Rocksbox, I will put a referral link below. This will help me out, give me a little bit of credit, and I believe it gives you a little bit of credit too. I will put that below so you will know. I really appreciate y'all spending time with me. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.